When we think about sugar, our minds often gravitate toward desserts and sweet treats. However, it's crucial to recognize that various forms of sugar lurk in a multitude of foods, many of which do not carry a sweet label. By identifying these hidden sugars, we empower ourselves to make more informed and healthier dietary choices, steering clear of unintended excesses. Interestingly, the brain's reward system becomes intricately entwined with our consumption of sugar, triggering sensations of pleasure and satisfaction. This biochemical reaction not only enhances our enjoyment of sugary delights but can also foster persistent cravings that may lead to overeating. Understanding this cycle is vital for anyone seeking to establish a balanced approach to nutrition. However, we must also acknowledge the darker side of this pleasure response. The overactivation of our brain's reward mechanisms can yield detrimental consequences, such as an increased tolerance to sugar and a diminished sense of control over our eating behaviors. Recognizing these potential pitfalls is essential for cultivating healthier eating habits and adhering to a mindful dietary framework. At the core of this complex interplay lie the dopamine receptors situated in the forebrain. These receptors are pivotal to our reward circuitry, significantly influencing our behavior towards both food and various substances. Certain regions of the brain exhibit dense clusters of these receptors, underscoring the biological foundation of our cravings and appetites. When we consume a balanced meal, there is an immediate surge in dopamine levels, enhancing our sense of satisfaction. However, this response diminishes with repeated consumption of the same food, leading to a decreased dopaminergic reaction over time. This phenomenon underscores the importance of incorporating dietary variety, not just for the sake of enjoyment, but to ensure comprehensive nutrient intake. In contrast, the scenario with excessive sugar consumption presents a stark difference. Sugary foods continue to activate dopamine pathways, sustaining their rewarding qualities and perpetuating cravings. This relentless cycle can ultimately pave the way for sugar addiction, making it imperative that we critically assess our consumption patterns and strive towards moderation.